Hi everybody, Stevie here from Never Too Late to Travel. Moved on a little bit from Charam now on the way back to Bangkok. But having said that, we have one more night in this area. And at the moment we're at Guangzhou market in the forest. And also the Waterfall. Haven't been here before, quite interested to find out what this place is all about. So I'll invite you to join me on this journey. So from here, let's go for a short walk. Very nice area here in the forest, and beginning of the market here, refreshing looking waterfall. Not very big, but nevertheless it's a place that you can take pictures. So this place looks quite interesting. As I previously said, never been here before, so things like this are always an interest for me. When you visit these way out places and come off the beaten track, I'm always surprised at what you can discover in these places. And for example, in this place I've just discovered that here in the middle of the forest is quite a large floating market, so that's going to add a new dimension to this video, and I hope I'm going to enjoy seeing it for the first time. Something very interesting there. I have never seen eggs done on an outside constructed oven like that before. And on this table I firstly assumed that this was cow lamb, bamboo filled with sweet sticky rice, but unfortunately it's just empty bamboo tubes. And as we go further into the market area, we should discover the floating market, and I've been informed that there is an awful lot more to see. And here, for example, we have some dried fish, which is one of the delicacies here in Thailand. Interesting display there of coconuts. I must confess it's a bigger area than I first anticipated, and I certainly didn't expect to find a small floating market in the middle of the forest. Very interesting.
They make a bamboo for
Holding the food. Very interesting. Nice salted fish there. Nice to see something different. I haven't seen the food served in the bamboo stick before, but looks very, very interesting. And the families enjoying the holiday weekend here. So my wife has just been to one of the ladies selling on the boat, and she's got a very cold Coke, and I've got a cold drink in a bamboo. Sweaty cap. Well, as you can see, there is plenty of places to sit and eat, and you can buy food from these little floating boats. Again, it's one of these places that you find that tourists from Europe tend not to visit because they don't know about it, or maybe it's a little bit far out and they don't have the right transport. And even more boats here selling food. On this one, more of a shop than a boat. And maybe one of the best ways to spend your afternoon is sitting and eating and then dangle your feet to cool off in the water. Now, there is quite a bit to see here, which is quite surprising. I thought it was just going to be a number of small stalls, and that was a lot, but very, very pleasantly surprised, I must admit. And as you can see, very, very rural location. I'm not surprised that Europeans don't come here. It must be very difficult because it's not on any defined transport routes. Some very ornate pots here, and even more ornate walking sticks. Highly decorative. Quite a large variety of things to buy here, from baskets to garden produce to fruit. Cow lamb, one of the favourites, the bamboo and sticky rice. And the wife has seen another bag, so undoubtedly another one will be arriving back in Bangkok. Little turtle.
Yeah, from stone.
Made from stone. Ah, very good.
Ginger, 20 baht per kilo.
Wife's just said this fresh ginger here, 20 baht a kilo. I don't think you can beat the value. This is dried fish, yeah?
Yeah. 20 baht.
20 baht for sabra.
One.
It's very good.
Yeah.
And this ginger is huge. 30 baht a kilo. Well, the young ladies seem to be in some kind of traditional dress. To be honest, I don't know the significance of it, but I'll have to ask the wife.
You want coffee? กาแฟจ้ะกาแฟแก้วแบบแก้วหนึ่งนะคะเย็นนะ
Where are we sitting, honey? Where are we going to sit? Up there. You want some small money? Why are the young ladies in this special dress?
Yeah.
Why?
Make special for
So there goes the answer to the question. Why do the young ladies wear this kind of dress costume? And the answer is, they don't know. The food smells absolutely delicious here. The young lady there cooking from her boat. Sweaty carb. As you can appreciate, quite busy, but then again, having said that, it is a holiday weekend, and another family there cooling their feet off in the water.